Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Welcome to episode 5 of our video series outlining the key areas of lawn maintenance. In this episode we cover weed prevention through the use of pre-emergent herbicides. Now that you're on top of the mowing, weeding, feeding and watering of your lawn, it should be nice, green and healthy. To keep it this way, you can use pre-emergent herbicides like Oxafert to stop the germination of weeds, preventing an invasion in your lawn this winter. Pre-emergents can be used in the prevention of wintergrass, summergrass, crowsfoot and crabgrass. Now the idea of using a pre-emergent herbicide is to target the weed seeds before they take hold by forming a barrier at soil level that affects the germination of any new seedlings. Oxafert Pre-emergent consists of the herbicide called Oxadiazon and also a fertiliser component. Applied correctly, the pre-emergent herbicide component will kill stubborn annual weeds before they appear, while the fertiliser component will provide the necessary nutrients to keep your lawn looking greener and healthier all year round. The herbicide has a residual effect of around 3 months, so it is ideal to apply seasonally to coincide with the different weed types that appear throughout the year. It's a lawn care practice that will take some time to get used to, as there won't be any results in applying to already weedy lawns. It will only prevent any new ones from forming. So it's a use beforehand type of remedy, and if you've got a lawn full of weeds now, then try and use a post-emergent herbicide to get them under control, and then look at applying the pre-emergent on a regular basis to keep them out of your lawn. Keep in mind, however, that having a good performing lawn in healthy condition through regular maintenance and fertilisation will help to keep weeds at bay and is a better option than trying to control weeds by spraying all the time. One weed you need to be particularly aware of in the coming months is wintergrass. If you have an invasion of wintergrass, you'll definitely want to treat it before it germinates. Wintergrass, or Poa annua, is a low-growing turf grass. It has soft, drooping green leaves grown in tufts with triangular-shaped seed heads. If you allow it to drop its seeds, next year it will be back twice as bad as it was the previous year. So, the best plan of attack is to prepare for germination with an application of a pre-emergent in the coming weeks. With the use of any herbicides, always make sure you wear the appropriate personal protective equipment, follow all label instructions and ensure that product is safe for use on your turf variety. For more helpful lawn care tips and advice, check out the Lawn Solutions Australia website and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia and we hope to catch you next time.